I am your enemy. I just here to take back what is mine. Stay away from me.
Rahmi, are you okay? You look kind of pale today.
I'm fine. I just didn't sleep well.
Are you sure? You saw a ghost or something.
Maybe I did.
What happened?
I had a dream last night. I was in a graveyard. Fog everywhere, no sun at all.
Someone who looked exactly like me.
Wait, what? Like a twin?
No, she was me. She looked right at me and said, "One of us has to go."
That's creepy.
Yes, it's creepy, but you can just stress out about study. That can mess with your dream.
Maybe, but it felt too real.
Rayhan, you look awfully silent.
It's nothing.
Oh no, don't say that. Every time someone say nothing, it means something. Spill it.
Yesterday, when I was sitting at the park, I passed the park near the station. And I saw you, Rahmi.
You what? Dude, she was home all day.
I know, but it was here. She was sitting on the suite, just staring at the crowd.
The street now is so hold up. Are you sure we're not just trying ourselves for fun here? Because it is starting to sound like one of those videos you find online.
Adlina, stop!
I'm serious, weird dreams, disappearing doubles. I mean, tell me, is that swing moved by itself?
Why? It did move by itself. Did it? Maybe it's nothing but just like someone
Yeah, if only with the lights, I mean, there are really on your head. Or maybe didn't we dream of you?
Yesterday, when I was sitting at the park, I passed the park near the station. And I saw you, Rahmi.
Who are you? It's